here at the hospital in the elevator. I feel so dizzy. And new lipstick. So we're now here at Davao Doctors Hospital, Orthopedic Center, Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Center. And me and Pa, we are laughing at our father that's inside that room. He's having his PT today and he's really cute doing some exercises and he's wearing a gown. So it's really funny. I will not include the video in this clip just because it's so confidential. Patient confidentiality. And my mom is there in the CR. Oh, gi-videoin ko siya.
Let me do this. I'm saying it's less than 5 ways. That's really
Here at the orthopedic department with Pao, and yeah, I'm just here sitting and thinking, what should I do with my life? Yes, I'm really in a crazy career confusion moment. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with my life. That's why, ang hirap talaga maging nurse. I don't know which way to go. I don't know what to do. By the way, the lipstick I have on, the new lipstick, it actually left a stain. So, it's a bomb stain. So we're now heading to the car park. So we're here at Victoria Plaza. We're going inside. I went to JRS to ship some items and nahiya ako, may babae sa harap ko. Nahiya ako kasi may babae sa harap ko. Nagsalita ako sa camera. Old school food trip from Cecil's. Luglog. Tapos ito yung food court ng Victoria Old School, the first mall in Davao City.
You want a picture?
Sol. Maambon. Medyo maambon, but we're now heading to the church. So we're now here at the church. I'm going down. Yan. Going inside. We have the mini chapel right there. I mean, there it's the area where you light candles, and here's the church. Hi! We're now here at Abriza. Katatapos lang ng mass. We're entering the entrance. Papa wanted some drinks, so I'm going to buy something from Tea Loca. So I already ordered my blended green milk tea, and I'm just waiting for it to be served here. They're looking for a case for Pao's iPhone 5C because he wanted a new one. We were crazy looking for cases for Pao. Finally, he bought one. Patingin. Nice siya, sleek looking. I was actually looking for something for myself too, pero wala akong nakita. Sale at Chimes. I went there to Nix. And I wasn't able to vlog kasi ang hirap. Sunod yung sales room. Tapos yung elf nila dyan, same price pa rin. Kasi sa SM Mall, nag-increase na. Fee. Hindi ko nga alam, naglabas na ata. Feel ko na sa True Value si Madra. Selfie. Let me take a selfie. Pati yan, pangit ko naman. Okay ba? It's Mother's Day tomorrow. Maganda doon, M. Picture tayo, ma. So yun yun lang yung mini bazaar dito. Ito na yung children's area. Punta kami sa bench. Paulo went on a shopping spree. Nakabili siya ng polo shirt. Ano ba nang meron sa bahay? May maluto ka sa bahay. So we're now going home. We'll end my vlog here. See you in the next one. Bye! 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 Ma! Bye!